Well, here it is, folks. It is snowing, as you can see. Look at all that snow. Look at all that snow that we got. So a few inches of snow out there. Looking outside the window here. Look at it all. You can see it coming down too. Pretty hard coming down. Do you like the snow? I like the snow. It's just everything gets so nice and bright. You know, all the trees are covered. Look at them all. See if there's any squirrel nests up there. Now, the interesting thing about the squirrels, so we feed the squirrels every morning. Well, my grandmother does, but she puts out nuts for them every morning. She didn't do it this morning, and the squirrel showed up in all this snow. The squirrel showed up in all this snow, just waiting for its nuts. And then it got him. It's like, oh my gosh, really? You made the journey out here in all the snow. So, yep, that was it. So here's our snowfall. It's going to be snowing all day. So there it goes. Whew. All right, well, I'll catch you later. Let's go make some snow angels and some snow rats, and let's get frostbitten because that's what my body does. Okay then. Bye-bye.